Selling an inherited home during probate, myths and process explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently inherited a home and you're wondering what to do next, especially when it comes to selling during probate, you're in the right place. My name is Reginald Perryman. I'm a real estate broker here in Michigan. I've helped many of clients sell homes in probate. And actually, my knowledge of the process is firsthand. I've personally been a personal representative over several family members' estates over the years. Today, we're tackling the biggest myths about selling a home in probate and breaking down the process step by step. So if you've been hearing conflicting advice or just don't know where to start, stay tuned. Let's make this simple. Now, myth number one is about selling homes in probate. You can't sell the home until the probate process is over. This is false. In most cases, you can sell the property while it's in probate, but it may require court approval. The key is really understanding your personal representative's letters of authority, if it has restrictions or not. If there's no restrictions, selling can be quicker if all the parties in the estate agree to sell. While having restrictions means that you're going to need the courts to approve the sale. Now, in some cases, the court may suggest selling the property to protect the best interests of the estate. For example, if the home is in foreclosure or if there's not enough funds in the estate to maintain the mortgage payments, maintenance, and taxes for the property. 2. The court handles everything and you just wait. This is not true. The court only oversees the process, but the personal representative and/or attorney of the estate is responsible for handling the sale. That means finding a realtor like myself who will list the property and help you sell the property so that you can submit the necessary documents to the court. Now, number 3 is you have to make expensive repairs before selling. And this is not true. You can decide whether you want to sell the property as is, sell it to a cash buyer or to an investor, or invest the money necessary to get top dollar for the property. It all depends on what makes the best financial sense for the estate. Number 4, the probate process takes years, so selling will too. This is not true as well. While probate can take several months, depending on the situation, selling the property doesn't always delay the process. In many cases, getting an accepted offer can actually speed up the process. Okay, here's the step-by-step process of selling a home in probate. Step 1, first you got to determine if probate is even required. Now, some properties were held in the name of a trust, or maybe there was a ladybird deed, or some other documents that may not require the home to go through probate. I suggest you contact legal counsel to assist you and review the documents, simply pulling a title search and things of that nature. Number 2 is you want to appoint a personal representative. Now, the courts may appoint one, but someone from the family or the estate can petition the courts to become the personal representative, and that's the person that's going to handle and oversee the sale of the property. Number 3 is get the home appraised or get a broker price opinion. So someone like myself, a broker, or you can hire an appraiser to come out and determine the market value of the property, both the as-is value as well as the repaired value. Step 4 is work with the probate experienced realtor like myself, because selling a home in probate has unique legal steps. So working with the realtor like me who understands the process is crucial. We'll help you price the home correctly, market it, and find qualified buyers. Now, step 5 is get court approval if required. Now, in some cases, the sale needs court approval. This means an official hearing where the judge approves the offer. Step 6, sell the home. Traditional buyer or cash buyer. Now, depending on the home's condition and the family's needs, you can sell to a traditional buyer, which may take longer but yield a higher price, or a cash investor for a quicker, hassle-free sale. Step 7, close the sale and distribute funds. Once the home sells, the proceeds go to the estate and are distributed to the heirs according to the will or state law. So keep in mind, the money is not going directly to you, it's going to the account of the estate. And there you have it, the truth about selling a home in probate. If you've inherited a property and aren't sure where to start, don't stress. I specialize in probate home sales and can guide you through the process smoothly. Call or text me today at 248-450-0978 or click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. By the way, drop a comment below if you have any questions about probate sales. I personally reply to every message I receive regarding real estate. Now, like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more real estate tips every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.